On the other hand, residents of Senjam Chirang have clarified that Pradeep and his wife Ayingbi, who were named as suspects in connection with the Konsakul abduction and killing case, are not residents of their village. In a joint press statement signed by residents of Senjam Chirang and the Secretary of Senjam Chirang, Khunau Laimachanura Marup, the villagers stated that the identification of the two accused persons as residents of Senjam Chirang was baseless and unfounded. The clarification came after police announced the arrest of Pradeep, son of Tomba, and his wife Ayingbi in connection with the case, identifying them as residents of Senjam Chirang. According to reports, 18 individuals from Konsakul were abducted on May 13. While the women among them were released on May 15, 6 men remained in captivity before their bodies were recovered on June 10. The Senjam Chirang residents alleged that attempts were being made by certain vested interest groups to create misunderstandings and incite tensions among indigenous communities by falsely associating the accused individuals with their village. They urge the public to exercise caution and verify facts before accepting or spreading information that could disturb communal harmony. Now, Director of Social Welfare Sheikh Abdul Hakim has informed that government is still working on effective execution of financial assistance of 10,000 rupees each to 3.5 lakh women in the state. Director Sheikh Abdul Hakim was speaking on the sideline of Meet the Press, which was organized by Directorate of Information and Public Relations at its office in Nityaipat Jutek today. The session featured officials of the Social Welfare Department who highlighted the department's major welfare initiatives and upcoming programs. When questioned about misusing the proposed financial assistance for women in the upcoming election to garner votes, Director Sheikh Abdul Hakim said women have been affected badly by ongoing crisis in the state and government is working to provide 10,000 rupees each to 3.5 women beneficiaries through financial assistance program. Earlier, addressing the media, Director Sheikh Abdul Hakim, Chief Minister, Director Chief Abdul Hakim said Chief Minister will distribute welfare benefits worth approximately 104 crore rupees under various social welfare schemes on the 20th of this month. He said the department has undertaken a 15-day intensive campaign to ensure eligible beneficiaries complete the necessary documentation, including Aadhaar card, income certificate, and ration card, achieving nearly 99.9% coverage. He said that around 107,082 beneficiaries will receive assistance under the Manipur Old Age Pension Scheme, while 13,599 beneficiaries will benefit under the Chief Minister Widow Pension Scheme, which provides a monthly pension of Rs 500 to eligible widows aged 40 years and above, including HIV-positive widows aged 18 years and above. He added that the Ima Nungthang Laima scheme also extends benefits to widows, divorced women, separated women, single women, transgender women, and other economically vulnerable women. In a Meet the Press event, Social Welfare Department was represented by Director Social Welfare Sheikh Abdul Hakim, Joint Director Jiteshwar Kaisham, Joint Director N. Bino Bala, Deputy Directors K. Saroja and L. Dineshwar.
Head si Social Welfare Department hapte Learning Department ne hoi hapule aduna magi framework si kamaina tawgadamoy si discussion de lai final tawdri scheme pi bai basidi hoi eligible oiba beneficiaries da ne ba piders ngang bo potdi rumors or allegation ne adum laigani arga pideba beneficiaries di magi chana ba aduga framework si akoina final oidrimina akoina haibado aga pibje adum faidagi chaitheng nangba Manipur gi nupi makhaida irrespective of any affiliation haigara the scheme piba kandadi magi eligible oida pigane aduna